Alright, this is just going to be a quick video. I got the parts washer patched up. It had a little leak down at the bottom, so put some JB Weld in there. But this thing's really old, but it works great. Made in America. Let me show you guys how it works. You can see I just have the exhaust manifold in there. So you got this brush, fluid comes out the end, and you can change the fluid flow by hitting that switch. See, it's coming out fast now, or I can slow it down. And then here's a sprayer, so you can clean things off. Let's see what I got going on down here. So, oh wow, those got really clean really fast. These were the bolts. Wow, they've been in there for like 10 minutes. These are the bolts that hold. Wow, look at that. This was completely black. You know, it holds this little aluminum piece onto the front of the engine. This is what holds the front seal in. I've already cleaned this thing up. Man, it looks great now. And I've just been brushing on the intake manifold. This was completely black, so I just put it in there and brushed on it. And I think it took 20 minutes probably to clean that up. Let me find that screw that I dropped. Put that back in here. But let me take it out of here and we'll see what I've cleaned a few parts. Let's see, I'll just set that here temporarily. So the intake manifold, I mean, look at this engine. You can imagine, I mean, the engine's just, it was covered in this crap. There we go. See all that crap? I mean, it was covered in that, and that's really awesome. Here's the front pulley. It came out awesome. I just scrubbed on it for, 10, 15 minutes maybe. What's interesting is the fluid in the parts washer doesn't take off paint. I was thinking it was like a paint thinner, but it's not. It's not as aggressive as a paint thinner. And tomorrow I'm going to see if it leaves a coat. Some of these chemicals they leave a little oily coat on there so your parts won't rust. But yeah, man, that looks like stuff for a new engine right there. So I'm really happy with this thing. And I didn't even have to do anything to the bolts. They just cleaned right up just from soaking. So I'm gonna try some experiments with this thing. I might like soak the head overnight and see if a bunch of stuff just falls off of it, a bunch of dirt, because you can set it. See, this thing's pretty deep. I've got it filled up probably like right there with fluid. It's like 30 gallons, 25 gallons, something like that. So I'm going to put it in there and see if that works. Anyway, really happy with this $50 Craigslist find, and that's what I'm going to be doing for the next few days, cleaning up parts.